Namaskar. Today we'll learn how strings are represented in Python. The first way is that you write multiple characters or single character enclosed in single quotes. In many other languages, single quotes are used for just single character. But in Python, single quotes or double quotes means the same. That means either you can enclose strings in single quotes or you can enclose strings in double quotes. For multiple line strings, the Python has a special syntax of triple quotes. That means you can have either triple double quotes or triple single quotes. We'll first run with double quotes. Okay? And a special purpose of strings could be, that means a string, if I want to have a single quote within a string, so I can enclose the string with double quote outside, or if I want to have a double quote within a string, I can enclose the whole string in single quotes. So I can have single quote within double quotes or double quote within single quote. So let me run this program. Let me see how it works. So capital of India, first it prints India. Then it prints is a part of Asia. There is no new line character, so it is coming in one line itself. Now capital of India is New Delhi because it is a multi-line string. I have done X, Y and Z. And I adore Python. It is showing single quotes, so that is the way if you want to show single quote as a part of a string. And I love Python. If you want to show double quote as a part of a string, then you have to enclose it in single quote. So single quote can go within double quotes and double quote can go within single quotes. So these are the various ways a string can be depicted in Python, and once you show such kind of a string, these are also called string literals actually. So there are various kinds of literal. You could have integer, float, but you could have string literal also. There is nothing for a single character literal in Python. So you can have, if you want to have single character, then you can put that in as a string itself. Now you can assign them to various names like XYZ and you can print them. So here I have shown you the entire methodology of different types. Remember, for multiple line strings, you can have either single quote 3 times or double quote 3 times. So this I am showing both sides, it should be same type of quote. This will also work. You can see that this will also work the same way. So 3 types of string syntaxes are there. Let me also ask the AI, what different kinds of string syntax are there in Python? I am sure we'll get a right answer of single quote, double quote and multi-line string. So all variations are there. Remember this formula also, that for showing the single quote, we have to put it into double quote. Showing the double quote, we have to put it into single quote. So single quote, double quote and triple single quote or triple double quote. Okay. And many more things, raw strings will cover later, all string, formatted strings, byte strings, will cover them later. This time we are just showing that how a simple string syntax is there in Python. Thank you.